Yo, what up, Blake?
What's up, Veezy kids? How you guys doing?
Chillin', man. What's good? What's going on?
I heard you guys are in town and got some baby goats for you guys.
You got goats for us?
Yeah, I know you guys
want
looking for some goats.
Yes, for sure. We're coming through.
Alright, sounds good. So see you guys in a few.
All right, we'll be there. Yo, it's gonna take us about an hour to get there. Let's go.
You want to hear a joke?
Go ahead.
They call me Ranch because I be dressing.
A few moments later.
What's going on?
What up, Blake?
Chilling.
Man, beautiful. Nice to meet you, homie. Hey, Veezy kids. Hey, we're at Blake's Exotic Ranch. We drove down here. You saw the phone call. Called us because he had some goats, and he's going to show us a tour of the land, and I know everybody knows Blake.
What's going on, you guys?
We finally linked up. We drove down here, so now we're just going to check it out.
Let's do it. Go check out the ranch and see what we got to show you guys all. Oh, yeah, I got a lot of stuff. The big wetland filter and everything on it. Aquascape does these farms for me. Capybara. Capybara is the world's largest rodent. They get to about 150 pounds. That's a male. He's probably around like 80, 90 pounds.
It's a rodent?
Yeah, it's a rodent. It's like a giant guinea pig hamster. Water rat. They love the water. They live in the water. They do everything in the water. They breathe, bathroom, everything.
What do they eat?
Everything. All different types of fruits, veggies, and greens.
Oh, I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear.
You don't really want to touch them because they will bite. The boy's not too bad, but you can let them like touch their little hands like that.
Oh my gosh.
Don't worry about getting this, bro.
That is Callie, so watch. Yeah, she will bite you, so watch yourself.
Why you want to play high five with me?
Yeah, so it's Oliver and Callie. So this is the enclosure I just made for them.
Let it bite you.
No.
No, you don't want to get bit by those things. The whole enclosure, we got it done in about 3 weeks. We were thinking about closing it all up and sealing it all up for the otters, because that's their lockout. They go in there and sleep inside there.
In last episode, Pamela Fox commented,
And because of that, she wins some free merch. Listen, it's simple, guys. Become a subscriber, comment down below, and you have a chance to win some free merch. Pamela, DM us on Instagram so I can get some of your info, and we're gonna send you out a Veezy Kid shirt.
Got it.
Where's yours? Oh, she had hair covering his eyes. Hey, we match, but I'm sweaty because it's hot out.
Yeah, the deers are right here. Those are muntjac deer. They're from Asia.
Come here, Bambi.
Peanut. Peanut.
That's Peanut right here.
Oh, hi. They're so cute.
They are, huh? He came up and he said, yeah, nah. What kind of bird is this?
It's called a kookaburra from Australia. These are the redfoots in here. A ton of redfoots. They just stopped laying. They're all inside the house over there. I do all my enclosures with fruit trees and stuff, so like mulberries and cherries, cactus, all that stuff.
So it just
I can
falls.
feed it to them, it falls to them, and all that stuff, yeah. This is the yellowfoots here. Yellowfoots and elongated tortoises. It's hot right now, so they're all hiding. You see all like the redfoots are all inside. Everyone's just hiding. That one's the boy, and these two are the girls.
What kind are they?
They're sulcatas.
Sulcatas?
Yeah.
I like those.
Don't touch him, okay? He will bite you. These little guys down here will peck you a little bit, but they're not too bad. As long as you keep your hands up, you're fine. Anything shiny and stuff, they might look at them.
Come on in, guys.
Those are called gray-winged trumpeters. That's why they get the trumpeter sound, because of the noise they make. Just so you guys can hear it.
Can you feel the fruit?
Those are silver wood ducks. They have a nest in there right now. They have a ton of babies in there.
I saw the last video you posted.
Yeah, mandarins, ringtails, white-faced tree ducks, white chickpea tails.
Hey, Veezy kids, make sure you guys watch Blake's last video posted here to see what he's talking about with all the eggs.
Can you pet them?
You can try to, yeah.
Hi.
Yeah, there's some turtles in there too?
Yeah, there's about 30 turtles in here.
30?
Yeah.
Yeah, because Sam just said they're waiting.
I could put those together and make it like
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, we're gonna have to chase down the baby goats to catch him.
Yo, what's going on? You alright? So guys, this is how Blake gets the cranes away so we can actually walk without getting attacked. Because they don't like Mama Veezy. We have a bet going with the family.
Yeah.
That Anthony's
spit on first.
The way he was touching those birds, he's gonna mess with those.
He'll mess with all of them.
Yeah. They won't do anything, but. Oh, look, there you go. You guys wanna catch up?
Yep.
Yeah?
We'll catch up, we'll grab them all. No, that one's too small. Yeah,
You gotta grab one now, Jay. Wait, you're coming with us. You're gonna be a Veezy kid. You're actually getting a name. Yes, your name. It's gonna be like Chloe or something. Are you a girl? We're bringing your family. They're coming with us.
Wanna hold it? He might squirm a little bit, so be careful.
Hi!
Anthony. Got the bite goat.
Give him a kiss. This is Rob.
This is Courtney. This is Kim. And this is Chloe.
We got the 4 Veezy Kid Kardashians. So you guys want to load them up?
Yeah.
yeah, just don't put them down, they ain't gonna catch them.
No, we can catch them again. So Rob, he doesn't cry because he's cool with me. Me and Rob been on a team together. Right, Rob? You're cool. He's gonna have some big horns. You guys are gonna have so much fun. Maybe all 4 of them in one.
Yeah, all 4 of them.
Yeah. Why don't you just go back there? Yeah. I'm not using half of it. I gotta cut this to 10 minutes.
Get in the sweat.
Alright, so as you see by how much I'm sweating, these guys are strapped in, they ain't going nowhere. It's a little ride back up to where we're at, maybe about an hour. But I just talked to Chloe and she said she's good.
Even though we got new baby goats, there's always time for a dance break!
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex on. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shit.
Alright, so Blake, you've had a lot of people here over the times, bro.
Yes.
They all come to this property because this is the most chill spot we can honestly say we've ever been to in our lives.
Yeah, I'm me myself about who I am on my videos. I just chill, hang out, show you guys around, and I'll be as real as I can with you all. But yeah, you guys are definitely another YouTube family that's been here. I've had a couple of awesome YouTube families here. I had one from Oklahoma come here. It's called the Arms Family. I mean, I had Paul's been here, Jacob Fetter's been here, Joey Slim's been here, Zach Catchmall, Fanatic has been here.
Did y'all know that Blake was such a nice guy? He's a really good guy. Listen, if you guys don't know the people that he just named, all of them, check each one of them out. All right, and say Blake sent you.
Yeah.
Everybody will appreciate it. All right, Blake. Well, hey.
Hey, thank
we
you.
Appreciate everything, man.
No problem.
It was amazing meeting you.
Of course.
Again, link's gonna be down below. Check this guy out. You can see more of this. He's got a bunch of stuff in here that we couldn't even see because he's waiting for his viewers. He's got surprises and secrets, so make sure you stay with his channel and subscribe to him and turn the notifications on because he's banging out videos all the time.
We never stop here. We're always coming.
So y'all see it's about to rain and we got goats in the back, so we're gonna haul butt out of here and we're gonna get back to our farm and we'll come back to you when we get there and we're letting out the goats. Unless it's raining, then we're just gonna keep them in the house. Yep.
Thank you guys for watching today's video. Make sure to subscribe to become a Veezy kid.
Like us.
Hit the bell icon to join the Noti gang. Drop a like and
Drop a life.
drop a like and comment down below to win some free merch.
Bye, guys.
Look at me, I'm on. Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going.